Wake up. You look like a walking zombie, Brian.
Need caffeine. Brain is not working today, Sarah.
You have been staring at that wall for 10 minutes.
My head feels like it's filled with thick cotton.
1 cup of coffee cannot be this important, Brian.
It is the fuel for my entire soul, Sarah.
Your soul is just very lazy and very tired.
Don't talk to me until I smell roasted beans.
You are being so dramatic about a simple drink.
Coffee is not a drink. It is a lifestyle.
Your lifestyle is making us late for everything today.
Just give me 5 more minutes of silent suffering.
Get dressed now or I will pour cold water.
Ouch! My eyes hurt from this bright morning sun.
Move your feet. We are going to the cafe.
Finally, a reason to stay alive. Thank you.
Look at this line. It is out the door, Brian.
No, I cannot wait this long for my fix.
Everyone in this city is addicted to caffeine too.
Why is that guy taking forever to pay, Sarah?
Maybe he is actually counting his tiny copper coins.
I am going to faint on this hard floor.
Stop leaning on that poor stranger's shoulder, Brian.
Everything is blurry. I need my black gold now.
It's just coffee, not a life-saving surgery.
To me, it is exactly the same thing, Sarah.
The barista looks very stressed and very tired too.
She's moving like a slow-motion turtle right there.
Don't you dare complain out loud to her, Brian.
I just want a simple cup of hot energy.
We are almost at the front. Stay calm, Brian.
My heart is beating for all the wrong reasons.
Keep it simple. Just order a regular black coffee.
I want a double-shot oat milk sugar-free latte.
Are you kidding? That is way too many special instructions.
I need it extra hot with a little cinnamon.
You are embarrassing me in front of everyone, Brian.
I know what I like, and I want perfection.
The people behind us are staring at your head.
Let them stare. They don't understand my vision.
It's a cafe, not a science laboratory, you idiot.
Can I get extra foam on the top, please?
Sigh. I just want a plain green tea, thanks.
Green tea? That is just hot grass water, Sarah.
At least I don't have a 10-minute coffee order.
Wait, did I mention I want it to go?
You are literally driving me crazy right now, Brian.
Precision is the key to a great morning, Sarah.
Your precision is wasting everyone's precious time today.
Silence. I think I hear the milk steaming now.
Finally, we found a tiny table in the corner.
Why is it so loud in this place, Sarah?
It's a popular cafe, not a library, you know.
That baby is screaming at the top of its lungs.
And those teenagers are laughing very loudly behind us.
I just wanted a peaceful moment with my latte.
Peace does not exist in this city on Saturdays.
I can't even hear my own thoughts right now.
Maybe you should drink your coffee and let's go.
No, I need to soak in the cafe vibes.
The vibes here are giving me a massive headache.
Look at that guy, typing like a madman on his laptop.
He is probably working on a very important project.
It sounds like a machine gun in my ear, Sarah.
You are the most sensitive person I have ever met.
I just want to enjoy my extra cinnamon foam.
Watch out! Your elbow is very close to the edge.
Don't worry, Sarah. I have everything under perfect control.
Brian, be careful. The table is a bit shaky today.
I'm just trying to take a cool photo.
Oh no, you just knocked the whole cup over.
No, my double-shot oat milk latte is everywhere now.
It is soaking into your white designer shirt, Brian.
My beautiful foam is dying on this dirty floor.
Stop staring at the floor and get some napkins.
I am in total shock and deep emotional pain.
It is just spilled milk. Stop being so dramatic.
That cup cost $7 and 10 minutes of waiting.
You look like a brown, sticky mess right now.
My morning is officially ruined for the third time.
Grab the paper towels and start cleaning this up.
Why does the universe hate my caffeine addiction, Sarah?
You are making a bigger mess with those napkins.
My fingers are so sticky and gross, Sarah.
The coffee is dripping onto your expensive leather shoes.
Ouch! The hot liquid is burning through my socks.
Use the wet wipes from my small blue bag.
Everything I touch becomes a sticky brown disaster.
Everyone is looking at the coffee boy tragedy now.
Let them look. I've lost everything today, Sarah.
You haven't lost your life, just a stupid drink.
To me, there is absolutely no difference, Sarah.
Your shirt is permanently stained with that dark latte.
Maybe I can tell people it's modern art?
It smells like burnt milk and failed dreams, Brian.
Can we please just order another one very quickly?
Absolutely not. We are leaving this cafe right now.
But I'm still a thirsty, tired zombie, Sarah.
You can drink tap water when we get home.
Tap water? That is an insult to my soul.
Take off that disgusting shirt right now, Brian.
The coffee stain is turning into a dark map.
It looks like a giant brown monster on your chest.
This was my favorite white shirt for special days.
Well, now it is a special rag for cleaning.
I need to wash it before it stays forever.
You should have used cold water at the cafe.
I was too busy crying over my lost latte.
Don't rub it. You are just making it bigger.
I am trying to scrub the modern art away.
You are scrubbing a hole into the fabric, Brian.
Why is this stain so stubborn and so mean?
Because coffee is basically a permanent dye for clothes.
My life is officially falling apart over a drink.
Put it in the sink and use some soap.
I hope this miracle soap actually works, Sarah.
What are you pouring on that shirt, Brian?
Just some strong blue liquid I found downstairs.
Wait, that is heavy-duty floor cleaner, you idiot.
It said ultimate power on the big plastic bottle.
Your shirt is literally turning a strange blue color.
Oh no, now it is a blue and brown disaster.
You are the worst at basic housework, Brian.
I just wanted the coffee smell to go away.
Now it smells like a chemical factory in here.
Is the fabric supposed to be smoking like that?
Stop! You are destroying the cotton fibers right now.
My shirt is melting between my very fingers.
Throw it away before it burns your skin, Brian.
$7 for coffee and $50 for this shirt.
This is the most expensive morning of your life.
I think I need to go back to bed.
Finally, the blue chemical shirt is in the trash.
I'm standing here shirtless and still very thirsty.
You look like a very sad, naked zombie, Brian.
My head is starting to throb with a headache.
That is the caffeine withdrawal hitting your brain now.
Please, Sarah, can you make me a simple cup?
Our coffee machine is broken since last night, remember?
No, this is a nightmare that never ends today.
Just drink some nice, calm herbal tea instead.
Tea is for people who have given up on life.
At least tea won't ruin your expensive white clothes.
I would give my left arm for one espresso.
You are a total slave to a brown bean.
A slave with a very high standard for foam.
Go put on a cheap gray t-shirt and sit.
Gray is the color of my soul without coffee.
You are being way too dramatic again, Brian.
Just wait until tomorrow morning. I'll be back.
Stop rubbing your temples like a crazy person.
My brain is actually shrinking without my latte.
It's called a caffeine withdrawal headache, you baby.
It feels like a tiny hammer inside my skull.
Maybe you should drink some actual water, Brian.
Water has no flavor and no magical power.
You are acting like a dramatic drug addict today.
I am just the victim of a bad morning.
You are a victim of your own obsession, Brian.
Please, just turn the lights off, Sarah.
Fine. I found an old packet of instant coffee.
Instant coffee? That is pure garbage in a bag.
It is either that or you stay a zombie.
The smell is making me want to cry, Sarah.
Just drink it and stop being a coffee snob.
It tastes like bitter dirt and sad memories, Sarah.
At least it has the caffeine you want so much.
My tongue is permanently offended by this cheap drink.
Your tongue is the most annoying part of you.
I need a real barista to save my life.
Are you sleeping on the kitchen floor now?
The tiles are nice and cool for my head.
Get up before the neighbors see you through windows.
Let them see the man who lost everything today.
You lost a shirt and a cup of milk.
I lost my dignity and my morning joy, Sarah.
I am going to the gym to escape you.
Can you buy me a real espresso on your way?
Absolutely not. You are officially banned from caffeine.
That is a crime against humanity, Sarah.
We are going on a caffeine detox for weeks.
I will die before the second day, Sarah.
You will survive and you will save $50.
$50 can buy many delicious double-shot lattes.
You are hopeless and I am completely exhausted, Brian.
At least I still have my sense of humor.
Your humor is as dry as your empty cup.
That was a very good burn, Sarah.
Give me that empty, dirty mug right now.
Are you going to wash it for me, Sarah?
I am going to hide it in the garage.
You are a very cruel and mean woman today.
I am a woman who wants a quiet house.
Fine. I will go to sleep until tomorrow morning.
Good. Don't dream about any more expensive foam.
I can't promise anything, my sweet, angry witch.
Go to bed before I use the floor cleaner.
I'm going. Don't touch me.
Today, we learned coffee culture and addiction vocabulary.
We also learned never to clean shirts with floor cleaner.
Practice these got phrases to sound like a native.
If our coffee disaster made you laugh today,
Show your energy by smashing that like button.
be a hero by sharing this with a friend.
Subscribe and smash that notification bell right now.
Lock in your commitment to this 15-minute plan.
See you in the next English lesson, everyone.
I'm going to dream about a giant latte.